Let's configure this Zenith 16 UHF receiver as a GNSS base transmitting RTCM 3.2 corrections over the UHF radio. Now, my copy of XPAD does not have an instrument profile for a UHF base yet, so I need to make one. I can do that by going to Settings, GNSS Total Stations. I'm going to add GNSS receiver, and let's call this profile Zenith 16 UHF base. It's going to be a base, and it's a Zenith 16. Click on Next. That is the correct serial number for this device. Go to Internal Radio and click on Next. Now, in the United States, I'm not allowed to directly enter the frequency for transmission. So the frequencies are preloaded in the head, and I can recall those by clicking on Tools and then Load Configuration from Receiver. And I'm going to click on the channel list here and choose 461 100. The rest of these settings look fine to me. I do need to transmit my FCC call sign. I need to do that once every 15 minutes. And my call sign is WQDN367. Everything here looks correct. I'll click on Next. I want to transmit corrections for Beidou and for Galileo. Also, on my base, I like to transmit corrections for satellites that are above 5 degrees. So, if I decide I don't want to have low-angle satellites in my solution, I can disable them on the rover. Also, broadcasting the corrections once every second will be fine. I'll click on Next. My antenna height is 5.48 feet. Click on Accept. Do I want to configure the receiver? Yes. We'll put this in as the active profile. Okay, our profile's ready. I'm going to go back to the main menu and click on Start Base. In this case, I'm over an autonomous position. I just drove a hub here, so I'm going to pick my current position for the initialization type. Everything here is fine. I'm going to log data for post-processing. I'll enable that, and I'm going to call the file ppdata. I'm going to record it as a Rhinix 2.0 file so that I don't have to do a Rhinix conversion before I submit it to Opus. I'll click on the Next button, and I'm going to just click Measure here at the bottom and get an approximate position from the receiver. I'll click Next. I don't want to create a local system. I'm going to work at grid in this job, so I'll just click on Start Base. And that's all there is to setting up a UHF base. When I click on OK, if I had a UHF rover profile already entered into XPAD, it would automatically prompt me to begin that configuration. In this case, I don't want to do that, so I'll click on the checkbox. So this receiver is now broadcasting corrections with an autonomous position, and I'm ready to use a UHF rover. That's all there is to configuring a device as a base in XPAD. Thank you very much for watching this video.